So children, let's learn about Python. Is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting roles also. That means for scripting also. So Python is a programming language as well as scripting language. Python is also called as interpreted language and developed by Guido van Rossum. Now some features of Python programming language. It is simple, high level, open source, graphical user interface based programming language, large standard libraries there, expressive language, object oriented, interpreted language and platform independent programming language. Now these features make it attractive. You can observe this is your Python interactive mode window. As we know that it is working in two different mode, script and interactive. So let's learn about variable. As you can see, it is written as planet. So this planet is a variable. We can define as planet equal to Pluto. So here variable is planet and this value is Pluto. Like 9 is also as an integer value. We can write like this also, p equals to planet. Here p is a variable and Pluto is a value. Same way, planet is a variable, Pluto is a value, moon is a variable and moon is a value. Now you can observe here, if you are not defining the deliberate misspelling, so it will not get the output. As you can see here, we have not written the proper value after the print function, so you will not get the correct output. You can see this error will come. Now there is a simple arithmetic statement. If you are working with interactive mode, this is a prompt window where you can write print 1 plus 2 and you will get the output 3. So we can type some other mathematical expression. Now we can discuss some arithmetic expression in Python. Some operators are there, like for addition there is a plus, for subtraction there is a subtraction, multiplication, or we can say string replication also, which we can repeat a string. Division is also there and exponential, that means power. You can observe this is a interactive mode where it is mentioned interpreter in mobile phone if you are using PyDroid 3 app for developing this programming, and this is your script mode, and this yellow icon shows here how can we run the program, how can we execute the program in Python with the help of this yellow icon.